dilemma on my hands, cuz. Y'all know I be fingerboarding and stuff, right? Right? Okay. Well, I made a slam wall because I never done it before. I made one, had so much fun on it. I should get a little session on it for y'all, huh? But I'm gonna let y'all see my little slam wall. All my skaters know exactly what that is. Let y'all see exactly what this slam wall look like. The real dilemma is, I want a bigger and better one, more sturdy. This one's it's a little bit sketchy. It's more like a rough draft. I need to make the next draft, and I'm gonna make it special, baby. It's gonna be bigger. It's gonna be better. No money is gonna be spent on this ramp. Use everything that's already at your house. What I got is exactly what I need, more than enough. What you got at your house is more than what you need. Just get it done. Let's go, man. Welcome to the channel, baby. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. Comment down below how you like rocking. Let's go, baby. EVS box. I'm gonna use this right here. We ain't got a whole lot of tape, guys. Ain't got a whole lot of tape. Let's see there. Tape, baby, but whoop. What you doing over there, bros? What you doing over there, my guy? You chilling? I'm just kicking it, man. Waiting for you to build that slam wall, man, and get active, my boy. Excited we actually got to make it. Oh, it looks beautiful, man. I'm gonna have a lot of fun. Y'all stay tuned, a lot more coming. Yah!